Hey y'all, this is Nikki Patel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome and thanks for stopping by. So today I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing for this look today, but I'm feeling really pinky. I got my cute little cat ears. I know it's not Halloween, but I'm feeling a little cattish, you know. So yeah, maybe I might add some pink. You know, my backdrop is blue. We'll just have to see. Stay tuned. So what I am going to start off, my concealer, and I'm using Hard Candy Glamouflage and the color Tan. And I used it for my brows. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing with my brows. That's why there's just so much damn concealer, but just the process. Okay, I'm gonna put this all over my mouth lid. A little definitely goes along with this concealer because it's supposed to cover, like literally cover a tattoo, any imperfections, dark circles. Like, it does its job, honey, and I like it. I got it from Walmart a long time ago, and to my surprise, it still works. It smells kind of funny, but it still works. Well, Coastal Scents Hot Pot in the shade Como Cafe. I'm missing something, and I do this all the time. I always forget to put on my trusty tape. I don't know why I forget doing that, and I do it in almost every makeup tutorial. Barista from Coastal Scents. Next, I'm gonna take Makeup Forever. Okay, so these pots change. They're not circle anymore. They're actually squared, and I got these years ago. And I heard they changed it like a couple years ago. And back then the circles had numbers, and this one was RF61A. It's a shame because I really like these colors and I would never know what colors they are, but I heard the formula is way better. So I'm just gonna run this over my transition colors to warm it up a bit. Another Makeup Forever and pot, and this one was M82-131. That's what it says, but it's like a berry color. It's really pretty. It's satin, it's not matte. I started to use pink, but I was like, why not use this beautiful color? Why not? I'm going to take an angle fluffy brush to blend this in and blow it out. Another Makeup Forever color looks like this, and it's a M162. It's like a chocolate color, like a really warm chocolate color, and we're gonna pop that right into the crease to give it some depth. Coastal Scents pot, and this is the color Deep Roast. This is really pretty too. It's like a darker warmer. Yeah, it's darker because this one is more warm, so it's just gonna make it a little bit deeper. Meet Matrimony. So I'm gonna take this matte black color right there, and it's called Matomid. So now I'm gonna cut the crease. I need a really thin ass brush for this shit. And I'm gonna cut the crease with the Glamouflage concealer. Next, I'm going to take these two colors, Prestige Cosmetics Total Intensity True Metal Eyeshadow and Gilded Tattoo Eye Chrome by Maybelline, and Cocky Cool. Cocky Cool, bitch. Now I'm gonna take this, the color Tattoo. I'm going to take this part of the glitter, Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art, and this is in Topaz Twinkle, and I'm using the glitter part. I'm gonna let that dry. And while that dry, I'm gonna add some more of that brown. And I'm gonna add some black. I was thinking about putting a blue. What do you think? Like a blue under the waterline. The NYC liquid liner in extreme black. I'm not gonna wing it, but I am just gonna put a nice straight line, hopefully. I'm going to take NYX Full Throttle Shadow Stick in Electric Surface.
Okay guys, this is it for this eye makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!